slash 9.
My name is Lakshmi, number 16.
My name is Chechanakom, number 1. My name is Maria, number 17.
My name is Solisala, number 28.
My name is Arina, number 13.
Oh, say, can you say, by Dr. Seuss. Oh, say, can you say, said a book reading parrot named Pooey. The words in this book are all phooey. When you say them, your lips will make slips and backflips, and your tongue may end up in St. Louis. Fresh, fresher, freshest. Do you like fresh fish? It's just fine at Finney's Diner. Finney also has some fresher fish. That's fresher and much finer. But his best fish is his freshest fish. And Finney says with pride, the finest fish at Finney's is my freshest fish French fried. So, don't order the fresh or the fresher fish at Finney's if you're wise. You'll say, fetch me the finest French fried freshest fish that Finney fries. Din's chin. We have a dinosaur named Din. Din's thin. Din doesn't have much skin, and the bones fall out of his left front chin. Then we have to call in Pin the Blin, who comes with his handy shin pin bin, and with a thin Blin shin bone pin. Blin pins Din's shin bones right back in. Bed spreader, bread spreader. Bed spreader spreads on beds. Bread spreader spread butters on breads. And that bed spreader better watch out how he's spreading, or that bread spreader's sure going to butter his bedding. Abe cakes bread cakes, as he gobbled the cakes on his plate. The greedy ape said as he ate, the greener green grapes are, the keener keen apes are. To gobble green grape cakes, they're great. Are you having trouble in saying this stuff? It's really quite easy for me. I just look in the mirror and see what I say, and then I just say what I see. Now, let's talk about money. You should leave your crocs home when you travel by air. If you take him along, they charge double fare. And your crocs must be packed and locked up in a crocs box, which costs much more than a little old crocs box. So it seems a lot cheaper to buy in our boxes than waste all that money on boxes from Proxys. And what do you think costs more? A simple thimble or a single shingle? A simple thimble could cost less than a single shingle would, I guess. So I think that the single shingle should cost more than the simple thimble would. Eat as Skipper sits. If you like to eat potato chips and chew pork chops on clipper ships, I suggest that you chew a film chips and a chop. As Skipper sits with a chip, chop, chop. And if your tongue is getting crazy, don't give up. The next one is easy. The fun nugglers. There are so many things that you really should know. And that's why I'm bothering telling you so. You should know the French names of the Fun-Knuckler brothers, who like to pile each on the heads of their others. If you start at the top, there are Bipper and Bud, and Skipper and Jipper, and Jeffrey and Judd, Horatio, Horace, and Hendrix and Hud, and then come Dinwiddie and Hinty and Doug. Also Prince Cinnamon and Frederick and Fudd, and Slinky and Stinky and Stern and Stuck. And down at the bottom is poor little Lud. But if Lud ever sneezes, his name will be Mud. We have two ducks, one blue, one black. And when our blue duck goes quack quack, our black duck quickly quack quacks back. The quack's blue quacks made her quite a quacker, but black is a quicker cracker backer. And speaking of cracks, remind me of cracks, and snacks, and sacks, and snacks, and snacks. So, oh say, can you say, I have cracks in my shack, I have smoke in my beast. Each beast thinks he's the best beast. Which beast is best? Well, I thought at first that the east was best and the west was worst. Then I looked again from the west to the east, and I liked the beast on the east beast least. Pete pats pigs. Pete bricks pats pigs. Bricks pats big pigs. Bricks pats big pigs. Don't ask me why, it doesn't matter. Pete bricks is a big pig patter. Pete bricks pats his big pigs all day. Don't ask me why, I cannot say. Then Pete puts his patted pigs away in his Pete bricks big pigs pig pen. Fritz food, Fred food. Fritz eats Fred and Fred eats Fritz. Fritz feeds Fred and Fred feeds Fritz. Fred feeds Fritz with Fritzy Fred food. Fritz feeds Fred with Fritzy Fritz food. And Fritz Fred has often said, I'm a Fred fed Fritz, Fred of Fritz fed Fred. How to tell a glotz from a glotz? Well, the glotz, you will notice, has lots of black spots. The glotz is quite different, with lots of black dots. But the big problem is that the spots on the glotz are about the same size as the dots on the clots. So you first have to spot who the one with the dots is, and then it's easy to tell who the clots or the glotz is. What would you rather be when you grow up? A cop in a cop's cap, or a cupcake cook in a cupcake cook's cap, or a fat flapjack flapper in a fat flapjack hat. Or, if you think you don't like cops' caps, flapjack flappers, or cupcake cook's caps, maybe you're one of those juicy chaps who likes cookie captain's caps perhaps. More about Lynn. Well, when Lynn comes home tired from his work pinning shins, the happiest hour of old Lynn's day begins. Mr. Lynn is the father of musical twins, who tucking twin instruments under twin chins, lull their daddy to sleep with twinkling violins. And, oh say can you say, far away in Berlin, a musical urchin named Gretchen von Twin has a blue-footed, true-footed, trick-finger, slick-finger, stick-finger, six-stringed, tin-string mandolin. Rope soap, poop soap. If you hope to wash soap off a rope, simply stop it with scrope. Scrope is so strong that no rope is too long. But if you should wish to wash soup off a hoop, I suggest that it's best to let your whole silly soup off hoop soak in soapy Cooper super soup off hoop soak sucks. Merry Christmas much. One year we had a Christmas brunch with Merry Christmas much to munch, but I don't think you care for such. We didn't like to munch much. And speaking of Christmas, here are some great gifts to give to your daddy. If your daddy's name is Jim, and if Jim swings and if Jim swing, the perfect Christmas gift for him is a set of Slim Jim Slim Fins. But if your daddy's name is Dwight, and he likes to look at birds at night, the gift for Dwight that might be right is a bright white bird fright night sight light. But never give your daddy a walrus. A walrus with whiskers is not a good pet, and a walrus with whiskers is worth living yet. When the walrus flips whiskers, through tough, rough, wet whiskers, you poor daddy's ears will get whiskers and whiskers. And that's almost enough of such stuff for one day. One more and you're finished. Oh, say, can you say? The song starts when the drops start dropping. When the drops stop dropping, then the song starts stopping. Thank you.